This tutorial will walk you through how to use Database tool in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, Miscellaneous, Database Tool, from the top menu. Say, you want to add a new column to categories table, called specialcat, in the database. Type in SQL syntax in a text editor, and save it as a text file, for example, addcustomfields.txt, and upload it to admin folder. Enter the text file name that you have uploaded to admin folder. Click Convert button, to execute the SQL query. Click Reload your configuration link. Now go to the Categories page, to view the newly created column named specialcat. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.